be doing too much. We be doing too much.
Hey, what up, y'all? It's your girl Stallicorn, and I'm back at it again with another video. So today's actually going to be something a little bit different. Usually I would buy my hair from AliExpress and be reviewing and doing those things and stuff like that, but I decided to go in a different route because I am poor. So, well, not poor, just broke. So instead, I wanted to be a baddie on a budget. Judging by my title, you know what this video is about: getting hair for less than $30. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because we about to be here for a while. And I'm gonna let you know all the details about this hair in the description box below and in the video. So if you want to know more about this hair and how I slayed the hell out of it, just keep watching. So the wig I got is the Empress Lace Wig by Sensational in the color Neon Royal Blue, and this is the style Lachan. Okay, so as you can see, straight out of the box, the wig is basically flawless. Like, it has a lot of luster and everything, and I can run my hands through it with no problem. The wig did come with pre-made baby hairs already, so it was already pre-plucked and everything. It has 2 clips in the front, and it also comes with a middle part already made in the cap. And then at the back of the cap, it has 1 clip kind of like at the side with their hand stitch tagged right inside.
We've been doing things we ain't gotta do. Tell me all the ways to get back to you. I know you don't.
So yeah, guys, we just gonna get right into it. I'm gonna pluck the hairline, pluck the middle part that's in the head. I'm going to fix up the baby hairs, and then we're going to put the wig on our head. Make sure you don't pluck too much of the hairline because you only have about 2 inches to 1.5 inch of lace to actually work with. So you don't want to pluck too much and then she's bald.
I want you around. Long as you around, can you hold it down? Gotta get you wet, no, I wanna drown. Tryna get you pussy.
We be doing too much.
When you get to doing the part, make sure that you do this really, really carefully. I can't stress this enough. How many times I accidentally plucked the actual lace and made a hole. So just make sure that you do this really, really carefully, and don't pluck too much or your part would be looking like your part in the Red Sea. So yeah.
Trying, nothing is enough for you. How we supposed to win when you cannot accept the truth? No.
You ain't doing shit but laying me down. That ain't gonna solve all the shit we got laying around.
So the hair probably didn't need this, but I added some heat protectant and some oil sheen to the hair so that it does have like a little luster to it and it doesn't get burned before I actually flat iron it. But I did notice that when I was flat ironing the hair, that it kept frizzing up and it went down after I touched it with my hand. So you probably might have to skip this step or not, depending on how you get your wig. But it worked out at the end. Like, it worked out in the end for me.
I love you, Benji.
To be honest, for the baby hairs, I did not record that because I didn't want y'all to see how much of a struggle it was for me. And that would have been another set of 11 minutes of footage. So yeah, do your baby hairs and then start to cut the lace.
4 in the morning, I'm slapping your face off. Who is this bitch that's blowing your phone up? Yeah, I'm leaving your ass and I'm packing my shit now. We both know I'm bluffing cause this ain't the first time. Can we tone it down?
What I'm doing here is just coloring the lace with foundation.
Baby, look, relax. Let's take a step back and we slow it down. Cause we be doing too much. We be doing too much. We be doing too much. Yeah. Baby, this is too much. Baby, love ain't enough. Cause we be doing too much.
So I added Ghostbond glue to the sides because they weren't sticking down with the regular got to be glued, and then, you know, I just fanned them so it could dry down. It wasn't going anywhere, so I didn't need to blow dry and put an extra layer or anything like that.
I'ma prove it to ya. Can we slow it down? Can I talk?
Now it's time to do your baby hairs, your edges, whatever you want to call them. Fix up them pots and pans in the back and just slay, boo. Just slay.
Back to you. I know you don't like feeling like you number two. I'm trying to let you down, let me touch on you. I'm too invested in this. Trying to work these things out, yeah, yeah, yeah. You wanna test my limits, ay. Trying to show you what that thing about, yeah. Can we just relax, can we tone it down? I wanna be yours, I want you around. Long as you around, can you hold it down? Gotta get you wet, no I wanna drown. No I wanna drown, ay. Tryna get you pussy.
We be doing too much. We be doing too much. Yeah. Baby, this is too much. Maybe love ain't enough, cause we be doing too much. Yeah, we be doing too much and you know it. Stop telling me things, why can't you just show it?
Yeah, you know I'm trying, nothing is enough for you. How we supposed to win when you cannot accept the truth? No,
You ain't doing shit but laying me down. That ain't gonna solve all the shit we got laying around.
I'm standing my ground, told me that can't be a lie. You wasting my time, don't look, I don't wanna
We
be
be doing
found.
too much. We be doing too much. Yeah. Baby, this is too much. Maybe love ain't enough, cause we be doing too much. We be doing too much. We be doing too much. Yeah. Baby, this is too much. Maybe love ain't enough, cause we be doing too much.
So after laying down my wig and doing my baby hairs, I decided to color the lace with concealer and foundation. And then I wanted to show y'all how long the wig looked on me. I thought it was 24 inches, but it's actually 26 inches. So I just determined that by where it stopped on my back.
You do a lot. We fight a lot. Make love all night. We fuck a lot. Yeah, we fuck it out when we bust it out. 4 in the morning, I'm talking.
So yeah, guys, this is the wig Lachan. And even though I got her in a neon, what's the color? Neon royal blue. There's like many different colors that you can choose from. That, you know, you can like slay this wig anyway. Even the girl in the front, she got on pink. So you can choose from like many different colors. I've been seeing like a lot of people pick red, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna pick blue. But yeah, like it's a really good wig. Like it's really good. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Let me know what you think about this wig. Let me know if you want to see more synthetic wig reviews, anything like that. Also, if you are an artist, like an R&B artist, a reggae artist, anything like that, and you want your songs featured in my videos, I will give you credit. Like, don't worry about that. Just DM me on Instagram, or you can hit me up on Facebook, whichever way works best for you. And just let me know and send me a link with all your songs, and I'll just choose which one ever I like, or even send me your best one. So yeah, just let me know. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.
We be doing too much. We be doing too much.